Vegetable soup is one of my favorites anytime, and Edikang Ikong soup is one of them. So if you're in diaspora and you want to make Edikang Ikong soup and you're just kind of worried about the ingredients or choice of vegetables to go by, you keep watching this video. So use your choice of protein. So here I use some hard chickens, cow tripe, and cow hide. So you choose your own proteins. Then I seasoned them a little bit, and before I did this, the cow hide I had already pre-cooked it, so it's halfway soft before I had to mix them up with other proteins. So that's my stockfish. Like I said, make use of your own proteins. Okay, so here I'm just seasoning to steam it. Okay, and that's my onions and pepper mix that I just added, and that's it. So once this stage is pretty basic, just like any other soup. So trying to get the stock here and get the meats cooked and softened. Now, this is one key thing you need to realize: don't put too much water, but just enough to allow your meat to be steamed and seasoned so that you get that stock. So once you are good with that, you go with your palm oil. Now the quantity depends on you. I know the owners of this recipe usually are very generous with palm oil, but I would say once you're cooking, think of health, think holistically, just think holistically, okay, and be sensible. Not just our food is not just for taste in the mouth, it's also for nutrition, and you also want to maintain good health. Okay, that's the way I think whenever I'm cooking. Okay, so here I added palm oil. The quantity I think is ideal for the quantity of soup that I want to prepare. Okay, once you're happy with that, then you just cover to allow it to season for a little bit. Here I'm loving the stock that I got. That mixture of stock and oil and the flavor, I love it. So once you get to this stage, it is time to start introducing your vegetable, which is the next important part. Now this is spinach. So if you're in diaspora, spinach is similar to water leaf. We don't have water leaf here yet, but I trust that our farmers are still working very hard to make sure we get water leaf everywhere in Canada. So the white that is still working behind the scene, spinach is your next alternative. Then add more oil. So for this recipe, I'm not adding any more oil. This is just okay for this pot of soup. Now, as soon as I added the spinach, I try to turn. Like I always say, don't overcook your vegetables, okay? That chlorophyll, the body needs it. So I now said, you know what, it's like I need more spinach, so I added more spinach. Again, I'm cooking for a large family. My quiver is full of them. So I don't like cooking a soup and then to just finish one day. Sometimes I do it, but not really my everyday kind of a thing. So at least I would like us to eat it twice. You understand what I mean? So I added more spinach. So I just turn. And spinach also, we think that is fluid, okay? But this spinach here is already blanched. So if you are using the very fresh spinach, then you kind of check it together with your stock and So this is kale. The kale is also blanched. So your best choice of vegetables for Edikang Ikong is spinach and kale vegetable. That's what I use in this recipe. And that's it, my friends. That is it. We are good. Once you get your soup base and you get your choice of vegetable, you are good. So all I'm doing now is turning and making sure they all, incorporate together, mix, bring out their own juice. Now here I'm adding, more crayfish. I tasted for salt, and I'm adjusting the salt level, and voila, we are good. So if you have not subscribed, click that red button that shows subscribe. Bell signs will show. Click the one that says all. That way, anytime I upload a video, you receive all my notifications. Now tell me in the comment section, what will you be eating this Edikang Ikong soup with? What swallow? Or are you going to use it as a side for your rice? Okay, so you can do some fluid adjustment if it's too dry for you, or that is the way you want it. So at this point, do you and be you. So I had some fluid at the bottom of the pot, so for me, I'm not adding anything more here. I am okay with the way it is. And our Edikang Ikong soup, vegetable soup, is ready. Time to serve. And that is it. It was very flavorful. The aroma was so appetizing, and it was very, very beautiful to look at. Okay, and I will see you in another video. Remember, vegetable is good for your health. It has a lot of fiber, it has a lot of iron, vitamins, and everything to keep your body healthy and working for you. So eat well, stay well, eat healthy, stay healthy, because we love you from this channel. We love you from this channel. You see how beautiful it is to the eyes? Yeah. What do they call it? I'll see you guys in another video. Stay blessed. Very appealing. Yeah, very, very appealing to the eyes. Aesthetically pleasing. Bye-bye.